Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I want to get into a pair of SBs right here that has made a lot of progress this year. Probably the most progress on a sneaker hold this year, I would say. Well, maybe not that, but I would say right after release, it's probably one of the most shocking ones we've seen just spike up in price. And y'all probably already know what I'm discussing. It's going to be the Jarritos SB, and just another kind of video unboxing this, getting into some of the details, really just giving y'all an up close look and then discussing why these have gone up so much in price, and really discussing if now is the last chance to buy your personal pair, which I mean I would say a month ago was the chance, but now it's just even higher in price, and they're going to keep rising because that's the trend that they're on. At least I wouldn't see them restocking anything like that. Doesn't seem like that's on the way. Could it happen? Maybe, but you know how Nike is with those small shock drops that they do out of nowhere. It's usually like 2,000-3,000 pairs, so it'd probably be something small that could cause the price to go up again. Excuse me. But if y'all want more content just like this, feel free to check my Instagrams, any of that down below. And of course, my friend and I's group, if you want to start getting more of your favorite pairs, learning how to source more profitable items, brick flips, making more from your sales, check us out down below. That's exactly what we teach our members. Recently, we've been doing lobster SBs, UNC Dunklos for 300 per. So again, if you're trying to get in, start sourcing more pairs and even get some better flips that you can get for consignment, local flips, or for your personal collection, check us out, and I hope to see y'all there. And you'll get a waitlist response within 24 hours if you join. So see y'all there. Start sourcing more with us, become a better reseller. You'll learn a lot. That's my guarantee. So let's get started. So getting into this SB right here, we're going to discuss the prices in a second, kind of get into where they were at before and where they're at now. So y'all can see we got this typical, I guess, cream and gray box. It's going to be the new one we'll be seeing for SBs this year and probably next year as well. They change the box like every couple years, so this will probably be it for like maybe a year and a half, 2 years, maybe 3 years. We'll see. I think the last one was the box for like 2.5 years, so this will probably be it for a while. But getting into this one right here, I also want to show y'all the tag for it. So we're dealing with some legit shoes, of course. Feel free to take a pic, look at it. This is size 9.5, so it is my personal size. I've been kind of thinking, I don't know, I might tell them. We'll see. It is a very valuable pair though, so it's like kind of hard to find, two 9.5s, but this is one that I was able to find right here. I did have to pay a little bit higher for it, not like crazy high. It's like a little bit under market price. Like right now, 9.5 is going for like $580-$600. I paid $550 to be exact on these. I know for a pair of SBs that is crazy, but I mainly wanted to get these on video, but also I've been getting some pairs to raffle off to HYPELABS members. So some people have been winning those pairs for like $50, $70, which has been pretty awesome to see. I'm going to try and get some more as well. But here are all the details. Again, you can see the Nike logo embroidered back there. Of course, the Jarritos drink, which is pouring out, that has been embroidered on. And of course, that nice canvas material, which is on the swoosh, all around that toe box. Then, of course, that design down there, which y'all are rocking with. I think most people have been rocking with this. It's kind of a nice theme. I believe it goes with the drink, and then you guys can see, I mean, we have this green and orange theme that's throughout the sneaker on the kind of collaboration logo that we have here, and also back here. Yeah, y'all can see that right there. Pretty cool. I like how these were done. It's on both the sneakers, so I want to show that to you guys, so hopefully y'all will be able to see this. But there y'all go. You can see Nike and then Jarritos both embroidered on the sneaker, and you can see both these are the exact same, no differences between those, and then the tongue tags are also both unique. This is another thing I was kind of pointing out. On most SBs, one of them will say Nike SB, and then the other one will be the collaboration logo, but on these, both of them are the collaboration logo, so it was a little bit different than a normal SB with that. But overall, such a clean pair. I mean, we all know why these went up in price. It was the overall demand, the design, how people were feeling about them, and I think it just was something that was so hard to get. Like Nike didn't drop a lot of these. They only ended up dropping 38K, and that was one of the main reasons these went up in price. So I kind of want to show y'all some of the prices for these right now. So I'm going to get into showing y'all what they are at. So again, when I was saying buying your personal pair, a month ago, even when they were at like $350, $400 would have been the best move. I mean, we couldn't have known that these would have just kept going. I mean, they've gone absolutely crazy. Almost $600. That's insane for some of the regular sizes too. It's not like big sizes are just going for $600. No, the big sizes are going for actually even more than that. Big sizes are now starting to get near $750. Here are the current prices for the Jarritos SB. Hopefully that is focusing for you guys right there, and you guys can see that size 9.5 is at about $581 right now, I believe. Hopefully I'm reading that correctly, but yeah, you can see, I mean, these sizes are selling very, very well at these high prices. A few daily sales at least, and it's just one of those ones that I think people are just starting to save up for, because people want it in their collection, but but it's just not that easy, with the prices constantly going up, and there's a very limited supply of them. The average person doesn't just have a pair of these sitting around. The average person that has the pairs of these right now is going to have a bulk amount, probably someone that like bought the release, or if they didn't bought the sneakers drop, probably got a backdoor from a skate shop. Those are the people that have a lot of stock of these right now and are selling them to apps, and that's why the prices keep going up, because they're going to keep raising them. So here's what they were originally going for. Hopefully y'all can see that we got like that 380 range. It's like right after the sneakers release, when they had done that initial rise. You can see before the sneakers drop, we had some selling at like 340, 320. I even had some people that were telling me, yeah, I sold my 11.5 for 450. But again, I wouldn't be that upset about selling my pair, because how are we supposed to know that these were going to go this crazy? I mean, look, you all see it says 342 here, right? Now I'm just going to go to the end. This is most recent. 342 to 545 right there, as you guys can see, and that's for a smaller size, right? The bigger sizes, if I want to show you all this, let me just go to a size 11.5 for reference. Y'all can see size 11.5 originally at 392, right? And now I want to show y'all what this is at. $760. Those big sizes have risen almost $400 in price, which is absolutely insane. But it shows y'all that the smaller sizes will follow, just there is not as much demand, but they've been still kind of rising with them, as y'all can see, because that's how it's going to go. All the sizes are going to rise. If the big ones are rising, then the small ones are going to rise as well. So I mean, those are going to continue to go up, and honestly, I see these realistically, I mean, them already being at $580. I say they touch probably like 600, 650, but I don't know how much further they would go after that. I think then it would just start being a matter of time, because I know there is still people out there with a lot of pairs. There's probably still some folks that did hold their pair, and now they're been continuing to sit in it, which is a very good play. If you've been holding your pair, shout out to you, great move. But yeah, overall, just one of those SBs that ended up being very, very hard to get. I mean, you get the unique insoles, unique sole. I mean, you get all the designs throughout this sneaker. It just makes it very unique, and that's why a lot of people like this one. But overall, I don't know. I might have to tote this one. It's my size. We'll see. But again, I wasn't someone that really was drinking Jarritos before this collaboration, so I just kind of got this pair to like kind of review, put on video, have a discussion for you guys, and let me know your thoughts on this one. That's the main reason, again, that we got this pair right here. So I'm gonna decide what I end up doing with this one. Might just end up kind of keeping them. I might like put these in like a little case or something, because it's a rare pair, and these are going to be in a couple years like an $1,000 pair. So understand that in a couple years nobody's going to have these, because people are going to have sold off their pair because maybe they needed the cash or something. So there's going to be very few folks that actually have one of these, and I'm trying to be one of those people, so we're holding. And if you guys want more content like this, want to start sourcing more of your favorite pairs, be sure you guys check us out down below at HYPELABS. You can see everything offered there, under market pairs on a daily basis, profitable backdoors, so many other things, because we always want to make sure that you guys are consistently profiting and learning how to make more as a reseller. So don't miss out, and hope to see you all there down below, because we got a lot that we're going to be dropping today and tomorrow. So if you guys don't want to miss out on that and deals, then stay tuned. But it's not just the deals. Don't forget the exclusive brick flip calls showing you how to source more of your favorites for less, all those other exclusive tips, classes, even like there's like other deal sections for like free food, free Amazon items. You can sell those, make a profit on them. It's very, very easy to do that. A lot of people think it's complicated. It's not. You can get in the group, we can show you how to do it, and you can start profiting that way. Get kind of different avenues of making money, because that's what you're supposed to do as a reseller, with sneakers, is do a couple other things so you can get more pairs. Then you'll really start balling. So that's all I need to say. Subscribe, like if y'all want more. I'm trying to 200 on this video, but that's all I'm gonna say. If we don't hit it, it's not the end of the world. And again, let me know what you guys are thinking about this beautiful pair of SBs right here. But hope to see y'all then in the next video soon. Hope we got something popping off in the background. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.